Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now just security over here, scroll down and tap on face. Enter your current login method, read the disclaimer, choose start to add by tapping at the bottom right corner. Then read the privacy statement, click on I have read and tap on agree. Over here, look at this disclaimer and follow those instructions. After that, select OK at the bottom right corner. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!